Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 13 of my daily savings in April. I am bringing $10 a day to use up as many minis as I can in my stash. And I feel like I'm making really good strides. I've done this since December 1st of last year. I can't believe it. I've done a daily video. I still can't believe it. But I made little playlists for each month. So if you want to go back and see how I did in December versus January versus February versus March, and we are in April now, which I also have its own playlist. If you ever need any little motivation or jumpstart into your savings. So our dashboards and prep coins and all that come from Chandel over at Homebody Mama Savings. And I'm going to put my $10 in the bank and exchange it for the $10 in prop coins. We are going to start on envelope number 1 using the lavender dye today, it looks like. So let's do another shuffle. All right, so let's see what we can do today. There we go, 3. 1, 2, and 3. How are you doing? I hope you are doing well. 2 for 2. 3 for 3, I'll take it. As long as it's sitting straight up and not leaning, I can easily figure out what it is. 3 for 4. 3 for 5. Okay. 1 for 6. 6 was like, yes, 3, but no. 2 for number 1. 3 for number 2. 2 for number 3. 2 left, I think. And they're both going to 4. All right, so we are going to start at number 5 tomorrow. All right. So we're going to go to number 1 and see what we've got going on. All right, number 1 got one of the $1. So 1, 2, 25. And number 1 is from Becca at Becca Budget 777. I almost did it again. So we only needed $1 for this one. So we finished one. I'll color these in. Be right back. All right, so that one saved us $3. So we have, it's okay, Coco. It's just a loud car. So we need 1 for 1. Oh, I didn't get more stash. I didn't get more stash. That's funny. All right, what do we have? Oh, we have a couple in here. Let's do this one. This one is from Owl Always Save, and we can do $1.25. All right, there is my $1.25 in this adorable one. She's got sprinkles on her head. Okay, it's okay, Coco. All right, number 2. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 25. It's okay, Coco. Okay. FedEx is gone, so now I can get back to my video. All right, so we have 1, 2, 25. So 25, 50, 75, $1. That's $1, and then 25 and 50. So we can do one of these. So we still have 75 cents to put in a new one. This one saved us $4. So both of ours from Becca finished. So let's see. I do not have many in here, but I am right next to my stash, so I'm not too worried. This one is from Susan over at Windmill Ridge Budgets, I believe. So we're going to do 75 cents in here. So 25, 50, and 75. and start that one off. Perfect. All right, number 3. All right, number 3 got $1.50. And this one is from Mindy over at SW Fanatic Saves. So we can do $1 right there and then 50. So this one only needs 50 cents to get $6. The child. All right, number 4. So we have $1.75. Let's see. Oh, so close. We needed $2 to finish this one. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1. So that's that. And then we have 25, 50, 75. So this one is a collab between It's Not Too Late Terry, Grammy's Journey, EMT Dispatcher on a Budget, Tobin Budgets, and Lil's World 733. Love. Love, love. Great group of ladies. All of them. Number 5. Number 5 got $1.75. And this one, oh, we just needed $1.50 to finish. So we have 25 we can put in the next one. So we have the $1, we can mark that one off. And then 25 and 50. So this one saved us $5. And we still have 25 cents to put into a new one. So let's get another one of those from CC over at Creationsbymuneca. So we have 25 cents, so let's mark off one of the quarters. Love it. And then number 6 got 50 cents. This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So I can do 2 more circles. Perfect. All right, we finished a few. So let's go back. Let's grab our prop coins. Get these mixed up. And then, let's see, we have 4 and 3 is 7 and 5. Let's do that again, 9 and 3. So we have $12. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So basically everything in our bank matches everything that we have marked off in our 6 envelopes. So now I'm going to put my $12 in the completed section and put 3 more challenges in our completed challenges. Awesome. Yay, day 13 with some finishes. So thank you guys for hanging out. I really appreciate you so much. I hope you hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. It would be fun to have you around, grow my channel a little bit. I love talking to new people, so please put a comment down below. And if you're a silent watcher, love you too. Don't worry, you don't have to do any of that stuff. So thanks again for being here. Hope you have a great day. And until next time, take care. Bye.